This is the paper of mathematics issued by CBSE for the session 2024-25, and I will give you the complete solution of this paper in this video. The first of all, these are certain instruction. Read the following instruction carefully. The question paper has 38 questions. It has 5 sections A, B, C, D, E. In section A, 1 to 18 are MCQ question, 19, 20 are adjacent region question. Section B has 21 to 25. These are 5 questions of 2 marks each. 26 to 31 are 3 marks question. These are short answer question. Then 32 to 35 are long answer question, 5 marks each. And 36, 38 are case based question, or these may be of 4 marks each. So these are the paper style. All questions are compulsory. There are certain choices which will be discussed in the question paper. We have to take the value of pi 22/7 and calculator is not used. The first A part. The graph of quadratic polynomial px passes through point -60, 0, -30, 420, 60, the zeros of the polynomial. In this solution you are seeing that value of y is 0 at this -60 and 60. It means at both places where y is 0, the value of x is -6 and 6. So the 0 will be -6 and 6. These are the value of x, -6 and 6. The answer will be D. Second question, the value of k for which system has inconsistent means no solution. For no solution, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So here we will see that a1 by a2, 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2, and minus k by 10 should also be 1 by 2. It means the value of k here should be -5, because -5 by 10 will be -2, 1 by 2. So the answer will be -5. B is the solution. Which statement is not true? From a point inside a circle only 2 tangents can be drawn. This is false. Because when a point is inside the circle, we cannot draw any tangent. So the answer is D. Then the next, nth term of an AP 7n minus 4. In this we will calculate first the first term. Putting n is equal to 1, the term will be 7 into 1 minus 4, the term will be 3. For the second term we will place n is equal to 2, the term will be 7 into 2 minus 4, 14 minus 4, 10. So the common difference for the first term it was 3 and second term is 10. The common difference will be 10 minus 3 is 7. So answer will be A. We can calculate the term n is equal to 1, the first term will be 3, n is equal to 2, second term will be 10, the difference will be 3 and 10, 7. Radius of base of right circular cone and radius of sphere are 5 centimeter in length. If the volume equal to volume of the sphere, we know that volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, and volume of the sphere base of is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So volume of the cone and volume of the sphere equal, then the height h is equal to, h will be 4r here, that will be 20. Tan theta 5 by 2, we can calculate the value of sine by putting this value 5 2. The sine will be 5 by root 29 and cos will be 2 by root 29. Then the put value this here, the answer will be 11 by 9. We can roughly calculate putting the tan is equal to sine by cos. We then also calculate this question. If for sine we put 5 and for cos we put 2, then 4 into 5, 20 plus cos 2, 22, 4 into 5, 20 minus 2, 18. So 22 by 18, that will be again 11 by 19. In the given figure, tangent has been drawn. Here, if TPQ is equal to 110, TPQ 110. So TPO will be 90 and then OPQ will be 20 here and OQP 20 here 40. Then the angle OQOC will be 180 minus 40 is equal to 140. So answer will be 140. Then is the question number A, 8th. The 0 are minus pi by 2 and minus root 5 by 2. The sum of the zeros is 0 and product is equal to 5 by 4. So equation will be x square minus 5 by 4, and this equation may be taken 4a square minus 5, or here also root 2. This question has root 2 here also. So the product will be pi by 2. Then in this, the x square minus 5 by 2, or it would be 2x square minus 5 or 8 square minus 20. Consider the frequency table, the upper limit of the median. The median class will be calculated by knowing the cumulative frequency in this table. The cumulative frequency will be 5, 9, 14, 15, 29 or 10, 45, and half of 45 will be 22.5. It will be in B2230 group, and it is the median group. And so the upper limit is 30. O is the point of intersection two chord of a circle. BOC is 80 degree. Then the angle BOC is 80 degree. O is equal to BOC 80. Then ABD will also be 80. And here OA is equal to OD. It means OB with OC. So the triangle will be isosceles, and these triangles are always similar. Angle B will be angle C, angle O will be angle O, angle D will be angle D, angle in the same segment. So the triangle are isosceles and similar. Root of quadratic equation, we can find the root by knowing B square minus 4AC. In this calculate B is equal to 1 ka square minus 4AC, 4 into minus 1 into 1 is equal to 5. The root will be irrational and distinct, because the B square minus 4AC is equal to 5. It is greater than 0. Theta 30 degree, then value of 3 tan theta, 3 into tan 90, 3 into tan 30. Value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3, and value of 3 into 1 by root 3 is equal to 3 by root 3. It may be also root 3. Volume of solid hemisphere. Hemisphere का volume होता है 2 by 3 pi r cube. So in this, the value of 2 by 3 pi r cube, if we taken, we can calculate the radius. 2 by 3 pi r cube, then will be 45 by 21 r cube, then r will be 3. And r will be 3, then the surface area 2 pi r cube, 2 pi r square, 2 into 22 by 7 into 3 square, that will be 549 by 7. In this, two by 3 pi r cube is equal to 396 by 7. So r cube बराबर 396 by into 7 by into 3 by 2 into 22. That will be 7 also. That will be 27. So R is equal to 3. Then surface area pi r square pi r square बराबर 3 into 22 into 3 into 3 upon 7. That will be 594 by 7. Answer will be B. This will be the correct answer. Then is the bag has 24 ball, 4 blue, 11 green, and the rest will be 9. 9 ball will be white. White ball are 9, so probability will be 9 by 24, that will be 3 by 8. Point on x is nearest to point minus 4, 5. On x axis, which is nearest, our nearest point will be in a straight line perpendicular, and the perpendicular point will be minus 4, 0. Because the nearest distance is always perpendicular. Which of the following gives the middlemost observation, that is median? Median, out of all the median tendency, the median is the most central tendency. A point on x-axis divide the line segment joining in the ratio 1:2. We can calculate the value of x and y. M x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. By this formula, the value of x is 3 and y is 0. Card is drawn from well shuffled. Playing card. Red face card. How many red face cards are there? Are 3 in one set, and there are 2 red cards. So total red card face card will be 6, and total card are 52. The probability will be 6 by 52, that is 3 by 26. These are the adjacent region. If both are correct and correct explanation, then choice will be A. Both are correct but B region is not correct explanation, then B. A true, R false, C, and A false, R true, D. SCF2 consecutive even number is always 2. This is quite correct. Even natural number are divisible by 2. It is also correct. But SCF is always not 2. SCF of any 2 consecutive even natural number. Here the SCF, it will be answer A. Both are correct. And that is correct explanation. Adjacent, if radius of sector is reduced to its half and angle is doubled, then perimeter of the remains same. No. When the radius is increased, radius of a sector is doubled, and the length of their subtending, this is the formula is ठीक, correct. So the answer will be D. SCF and LCM we can make the factor of these, and these are 480 is equal to 2 power 5 into 3 into 5 and 722 power 4 325. The HCF will be 2 raised power 4 into 3, that will be into 5, that will be 240, and LCM 2 power 5 3 power 2 into 5. This is the HCM and LCM. 85 has factor 5 into 17 238, 2 into 7 into 17, therefore the HCF is 17, and this is given 17 is equal to 85 m minus 230. 85 m minus 238 is equal to 17, so by this m will be 3. 2 dice are rolled and bearing number 4, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12. Find the probability that the product odd number. Odd number will be when both will have odd, and for this odd the combination will be either 7, 7, 7, 9, 7, 11, then 9, 7, 9, 9, 9, 11, then 11, 7, 11, 9, 11, 11. These are the 9 will be favorable product, and the total product of these are the 6 number. The probable total outcome will be 36, 6 into 6, so the product of odd will be 9 by 36, 1 by 4. Or then the next is the how many positive 3-digit integer have the 100 digit 8 and unit digit 5. Find the probability. The 105, 115, 125, 135, 145, these number will be 10, and total number are 900. So 10 by 900, because 100 to 999 they will be 900 number, that probability will be 1 by 90. Evaluate 2 sin square 60 minus tan square 30 upon sec square 45. We can put the value of these sin 60 root 3 by 2, tan 30 1 by root 3, and sec 45 that is root 2. By calculating the value comes 7 by 12. Point on x-axis with distance of under root 41. This will be the when we will place the value 8 minus x square plus 25, that will be 41. So in this 8 minus x square is equal to 16. Yeah, we can say 8 minus x is equal to plus minus 4, then x is equal to 4 or 12. The point will be 40 or 12. So that these points are the vertices of isosceles triangle. We will calculate the distance between AB, BC and AC. We will find the distance of AB is equal to BC, which is equal to 10. Therefore, it is an isosceles triangle. Section C. In triangle ABC, DEF are the, here in this triangle, DEF are the midpoints. It means they are dividing all sides in equal ratio. So we have to prove the triangle are similar. In this case, it means AE by EB is equal to AF by CF, because these are the midpoint. So EF parallel BC, DF parallel EB, and ED parallel AC. So it will be all will be the parallelogram. EFDB parallelogram, EFDC parallelogram, AEDF parallelogram, EFDCD parallelogram. So in parallelogram the both triangle will be similar. Then is the next, in this, in the triangle ABC, the median AD divide BC into two equal parts, and P are parallel BC. We have to prove PQ is the half of PR, or we say AQ is median of PR. In this question, when PR is parallel to BC, then the triangle APR will be similar to ABC, and APQ will be similar to ABD. Therefore, AP by PD is equal to PQ by BD, and this is also equal to PR by BC by the similarity. So here the BC will be 2BD, or PR will be 2PQ. So PQ will be half of PR. It means it is the median, or we can say AD bisect PQ. Sum of two number 18. The first number is x, other will be 18 minus x. Their reciprocal 1 upon x plus 1 upon 18 minus 9 by 40. Then making quadratic equation, solve this and the number will be 10 or 8. Alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial. When alpha beta are the zero of the polynomial, the alpha plus beta will be 5 by 6 and alpha beta will be 1 by 6, and we have to make the equation with alpha square and beta square. Here the equation will be x square minus sx plus p. Here we will calculate the sum of the alpha square plus beta square and alpha square into beta square. By calculating alpha square plus beta square, value will be this will be 13 by 36, and alpha square beta square will be 1 by 36. The polynomial will be x square minus 30x by 36 plus 1 by 36. Here multiply by 36, you will get 36x square minus 13x plus 1. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1. Prove cos theta minus sin theta is plus minus 1. Cos theta plus sin theta का square plus cos theta minus sin theta का square is equal to 2 cos square plus sin square. और cos square plus sin square की value is 1, so it will be equal to 2. Put cos plus sin की value 1, then 1 square plus cos minus sin square is equal to 2, then cos minus sin square is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. Hence cos minus sin is equal to under root 1 is equal to plus minus 1. Minute hand of clock 18 centimeter long, the radius 18, area in 35 minutes. In 1 minute it travels the angle 6 degree, in 35 it will travel to 10 degree. So here will be the area swept by in 35 minutes, that is to 10 degree that is 594. Area of minor segment we have to calculate in this triangle when the angle is 60 degree. So the area of minor segment will be area of sector minus area of triangle. When angle O is 60, then in this case the angle is 60, so the triangle will be equilateral, because when O is 60 degree, AO is equal to OB. These both are radius, so the radius will also form the same angle equal. So all angle will be of 60, and the 60 degree angle triangle is always equilateral. So area of equilateral triangle is a square under root 3 by 4. So we can calculate the area of segment, sector, and minus area of segment. And when we will subtract both, the answer will be 18.10. Prove under root 3 is a irrational number. For the irrational number, we can find that under root 3 is equal to a by b, that it is irrational. It is a rational number. Then rational could be written in the form of ratio of two integer a and b are co-prime. Then by solving b under root 3 is equal to a, so squaring 3b square is equal to a square, or a square is divisible by 3, so a is also divisible by 3. Put a is equal to 3c, we will get b square is equal to 3c square, so b is also divisible by 3. It means a and b both are divisible by 3, so a b are not co-prime, both are divisible by 3, so our concept is incorrect. Therefore under root 3 is irrational number. Then is the part D. Solve the cylinder equation graphically. We will draw the graph of this equation. First we will make the table, and when the graph will be drawn in this table, we are seeing that the minus 1, 2 is common in both. When the same solution is both, that will be the solution. In graph also both will intersect at minus 1, 2. We can draw the graph of this on the graph paper, and we will find that they will intersect at minus 1, 2. So x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 2 is the solution of this equation. Then A and B 180 on a highway, one car start from A, other B car travels same direction, they meet in 9, and opposite direction they meet in 1 hour. Let the speed of car A x and speed of second y. Here the speed of x should be greater than y, then it will catch the car B. So distance covered in 9 hour 9x and second 9y. The difference 9x minus 9y is equal to 180, or x minus y is equal to 20. This is the equation first. In the opposite direction they will come xy, so x plus y is equal to 180. Solving we will get x is equal to 100, y is equal to 80. Question number 33. Prove the tangent are equal. In this case, this is the circle on this two tangent are drawn. One is PQ and other is PR. In triangle PQO and PRO, OQ is equal to OR radius, OP common, and angle Q is equal to angle R, because tangent for 90 degree on the radius. It means triangle are congruent, therefore PQ barabar PR, that is CPCT. And now in the another problem in this question, the problem was this, that in this the AB is equal to 10, AB is AR plus RB, and AQ is equal to 7, so AR also 7, so RB is equal to 3, then BP also 3, and here CQ 5, then CP also 5, then BC will be 5 plus 3 8. A boy whose height is 1.35 meter. Here the diagram is given, it is of height and distance. Let the boy is standing at a point A and he is watching at point B 60 degree angle, at C the angle is 30 degree. In 12 seconds the balloon will go 36 meter. Therefore BC is equal to GF is equal to 36. Tan 60 is equal to under root 3 h minus 135 upon x. Because the CF will be h minus 35, we have taken C is equal to h. Then tan 30 is also 1 by root 3 h minus 135 on x plus 36. By solving we will get in this equation that h is equal to 32.49 meters. So height of balloon from the ground 32.49. 35 calculate the mean and median. For mean we will आए भाई the mean we will first calculate the x. X is the midpoint of class, that is 87.5, 92.5, 97.5, 102.5. In this we will take x as 102.5 and we will calculate the deviation division by 5, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and multiplying by f we will get minus 45, minus 44, 20, 0, 20, 50. The sum will be minus 39 and the sum of frequency 120, and by using the formula mean is equal to x plus sigma fd into h upon sigma f, that is 102.5 plus minus 39 into 5 by 120, that is 102.5 minus 13 by 8, that is 100.875. This is the mean. In this the calculate the cumulative frequency, that is 15, 37, 57, 75, 95, 120. So half of 120, 60, that is the group 100, 105, that is the median group. and median is equal to lower limit 100 L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H, that is 100.83. This is the median. Then is the monthly expenditure of 200 family is given. The sum total is 200. So here when we will calculate the value of X, adding all these 24 plus 40 plus 33 plus X plus 30 plus 22 plus 16 plus 7, all these will be subtracted from 200, so X will be 28. Then we will calculate the mean expenditure. First of all, we will find the midpoint of 100 and 1000 and 1500, that is X 12501750, and multiply by the frequency. We will get the total of this 532500 of the sigma fx, and the sigma f is equal to 200. So division by this we will get 2662.5, the mean. Then is the section E. It is of case study. In this storehouse, we found that on the top layer 3 jars, on the 3, then next 6, then 9, it is an AP 3, 6, 9, 12. There are 9 jars and so on till 8 layer. Write AP whose term represent. This is the AP is 3, 6, 9, 12, 24. Common difference here is 3. Then the second is it possible to arrange 34? It means 34 must be a term of this AP. We should try to find whether 34 is a term in AP or not. In this, if we take the value A n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, the value of n comes in fraction, and any AP do not have any term in fraction. So here it could not be possible that there may be 34 in any row. Then is the Sn, number of row in a layer. Sn is equal to, the formula is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and when we will calculate it, formula will be three n by 2 1 plus n. By using this formula, S8 is equal to, putting value of n is equal to 8, 3 into 8 by 2, 1 plus 8, that will be 108. And or the shopkeeper had 3 jars in each. Now the table will be, in place of 3, the table will be 6, 9, 12. A is equal to 6, D again 3. Then the how many in the 5th layer from the top? It means now it is 155 is equal to A plus 4D. 6 plus 4 into 3, that will be 18. Then the question number 37. Triangle is a very popular. In this question is based on the triangle. Here a triangle is given. And this question is on similar triangle. There are many designs in the triangle. Largest triangle represented by ABC and the small triangle DEF. PQ is parallel to F, so that this DPQ similar DEF. When PQ is parallel to EF, then angle P will be angle E corresponding. Q is equal to F, it also corresponding. Therefore, DPQ similar to DF, all angles are equal. If dp is equal to 50, in the next dp is equal to 50 and p is 70, इसका मतलब d is equal to 50 plus 70 120, then the ratio of dpq similar def, then dp by d is equal to pq by ef. It is the 50 by 120, then the ratio will be 5 by 12. 2ab is equal to 5 de and triangle are similar, then the ratio of perimeter. Here when the triangle are similar, AB by DE will be 2 by 5. Then the AB is equal to 2.5 DE, BC is equal to 2.5 EF and AC is equal to 2.5 DE. Because the ratio will be same in similar triangle, the ratio of both sides is always same. The perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 2.5 DE plus EF plus FD. That will be 2.5 of perimeter of DF. It means the ratio of perimeter will be always 2.5. So this will be a constant ratio. Or ABC similar DEF, here given that ABC triangle is similar to DEF and we have to calculate that the ABM similar DEN, where AM and DN are median. In this, angle B is equal to angle E and AB by DE is equal to BC by EF, side of similar triangle. When the sides are in the same ratio, then half of the side will be in the same ratio. इसका मतलब BC upon EF is equal to BM by EN, and therefore in triangle ABM, DE by AB is equal to NE by BM and E is equal to BSAS. Triangle will be similar, therefore the ratio of the median will also be same. Metallic silos are used by farmers, and here the dimension are given of the conical part and the cylindrical part. On the calculate the height of the conical part, we know that the height of cone is equal to under root h square plus r square. Here r is 1.5, h is equal to 2. So by calculating this value, we can find the L 1.5 square plus 2 square, that will be 6.25, and therefore L is equal to under root 6.25, that is 2.5 meter. Curved surface area of the cone pi r L, put the value of these, we will get 11.78. That is the curved area of cone. Curved area of cylinder 2 pi RH. Here again put the value, it will be 66. Metal sheet used to make the cylinder 66 into 2000, that is 132,000 rupees. Volume of the cylinder pi r square h. We will place the value r is equal to 1.5 and phi 22 by 7 and h, that is 7, so we will get 49.5. Volume of cone pi r square h by 3, that is 4.71. The total capacity will be, adding by both, we will get, that will be 54.21 centimeter square. This is the solution, and you can practice these. It is the complete solution of this paper and it is for your practice only. So you